Welcome to Speak English with Stories. In this video, you will listen to a simple story in easy English. Today, we will learn about the history of chocolate. Relax, listen, and enjoy the story. Long ago, chocolate was not sweet. It was not a candy, it was a drink. The story of chocolate begins in Central America. Thousands of years ago, the Maya people grew cacao trees. Cacao trees had large green leaves and small pods. Inside the pods were cacao beans. The Maya people believed cacao was special. They used it in important moments. They used it in ceremonies. They believed the cacao tree was a gift from the gods. They did not eat chocolate like we do today. They crushed the cacao beans. They mixed them with water. Sometimes, they added chili or spices. The drink was bitter and strong. Later, the Aztecs also used cacao. For them, cacao was very valuable. They used cacao beans as money. People could buy food with cacao beans. The Aztec ruler, Montezuma, drank chocolate every day. He believed it gave him strength and energy. Only rich and powerful people could drink it. Then, everything changed. In the 1500s, Spanish explorers came to Central America. They saw cacao for the first time. At first, they did not like the taste. It was too bitter. But they took cacao beans to Europe. In Europe, people changed the recipe. They added sugar. They added milk. The drink became sweet. Chocolate became popular in Spain. Then it spread to France, Italy, and England. Only rich people could afford it. Chocolate was expensive. In the 1700s, chocolate houses opened in Europe. People met there to talk, drink, and share ideas. Chocolate was still a drink, not a bar. In the 1800s, machines changed everything. People learned how to make solid chocolate. They made chocolate bars. They made chocolate candies. Chocolate became cheaper. More people could buy it. Children loved it. Adults loved it too. Today, chocolate is everywhere. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, hot chocolate. But cacao still grows in warm places. Many cacao farms are in Africa, South America, and Asia. Chocolate travels a long way before it reaches our homes. When you eat chocolate today, you are tasting history, a story that began thousands of years ago. This was the story of chocolate. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy learning English through stories, you can find more stories on this channel.